Hi GITV, Bob the X-Man Hilbrand here with a Magpul PTS MVG. This is the MOE vertical grip. This is compatible with Magpul PTS handguards as well as ACR PTS handguards. It's designed to be very ergonomic when using your airsoft guns to train. It's also made out of polymer, and once again it affixes directly to those handguards. It comes with a little mounting tool. You're going to open up the handguard and attach this. Very comfortable way to use it. You can pick them up on AirsoftGI.com. They're on sale for around $25 on our website, and they come in 3 different colors. I highly suggest them.